This is the last part of the video series. We've generated our road. You may have done this using code or you may have done this manually. For this example, I'm using the manual version. At this point, we're going to add in our mountains and then our sky dome. And then we will place both of these elements into an empty object, which we will call environment, just like they have set up in the original project. So go ahead and under project window, underneath sky or the sky folder, find mountain skybox, drag this into the hierarchy. And then over here, go ahead and set the X position to 0 for transform, the Y position to 148, and then the Z position to 0. If you notice down in my game view, it looks a little bit nicer now. Next, we'll add in the sky dome. Drag the sky dome into the hierarchy. And then what we will do is we are going to change or keep this at position X, Y, 0, and then Z we're going to change to 0 as well. So if I scroll out, we can see what the dome looks like. Next, let's create a new empty object or a new empty game object. We'll call this environment. And then we'll take the mountain and the sky dome and place them inside the environment. I'm going to move the environment above that. You don't have to do that part. I'm just going to go ahead and do that myself. And you should be good for the environment setup. Next, what I'd recommend you do is this should pick up right along into the lesson 1.1, start your 3D engines on step 4, where you now add your vehicle, and you should be good to go.